This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the right canvas. Tap the plus, pick an aspect ratio, and import your photo directly from gallery or files. Once done, drag the image into the timeline and set its duration to match your edit. This prevents accidental trims. Make sure Fit to Screen is toggled so nothing crops unexpectedly. You'll also want to lock the frame when adjusting layers. This lets you add effects without shifting the base photo. Now you're ready to refine exposure and composition. You'll now sculpt the image. Open color and tweak curves, brightness, and saturation. Small changes like +10 highlights often help. Then add layers, overlays, gradients, or shapes. Select a blend mode such as multiply for depth or screen for glow, and adjust opacity. Use the points mask to isolate areas, drag points for precise selection, and feather edges for smooth blending. Once done, you can animate mask paths or keyframe opacity to create subtle reveals that keep the viewer's focus. You're at the finish line. Preview your full composition at 100% to catch artifacts or alignment issues. Then export using MP4 for videos or GIF/PNG sequence for stills. 1080p and 4 to 8 Mbps balances quality and file size. If you spot rough edges, increase mask feather, check layer order, and ensure Fit to Screen is still correct. These fixes remove halos and clipping. If problems persist, re-export at a higher bitrate or as a PNG sequence to preserve maximum fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.